Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering whether iOS 27 improves battery life or makes it worse compared to iOS 26, you're not alone. Battery performance is one of the most important factors when deciding whether to update your iPhone. In today's video, we are putting iOS 27 to the test and comparing it with iOS 26 to find out which version delivers the better battery experience. Every year, Apple introduces new features, visual improvements, and performance enhancements with its latest iOS update. However, many users worry that these additions could come at the cost of battery life. With iOS 27, Apple claims to have optimized system efficiency, but does that actually make a difference in real-world usage? After spending time with iOS 27, the first thing many users may notice is that the system feels smoother and more responsive. App launches are quick, animations are fluid, and background processes appear to be better managed. These optimizations can have a positive impact on battery consumption throughout the day. In daily testing that includes social media browsing, video streaming, messaging, music playback, and light gaming, iOS 27 performs very well. For many users, battery life is either slightly improved or very similar to iOS 26. Standby battery drain also appears to be better managed, meaning your iPhone may lose less charge overnight. One important thing to remember is that battery life can temporarily decrease right after installing a major update. This is normal because the iPhone is busy indexing data, optimizing apps, and completing background tasks. Once those processes finish, battery performance usually stabilizes. For users with newer iPhone models, iOS 27 appears to offer a refined and efficient experience. Older devices may see mixed results depending on battery health and overall device condition. If your battery health is already low, software updates alone may not dramatically improve battery life. Overall, iOS 27 focuses more on efficiency and optimization rather than delivering huge battery gains. The good news is that most users shouldn't experience significant battery problems after updating. So, is iOS 27 better or worse than iOS 26 when it comes to battery life? Based on early testing, iOS 27 is at least as good as iOS 26 and may even provide slight improvements in standby time and everyday efficiency. If battery life is your main concern, there's little reason to avoid the update. If you enjoyed this battery test and comparison, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone reviews, tips, and Apple news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.